To all business owners, let me tell you 4 problems if you use a personal credit card to pay for your business expenses. Number 1, cash flow issues, because personal credit cards are not meant for scaling, because the available credit for your business may be tied up by your personal expenses and vice versa. Number 2, higher foreign exchange fees. If you're paying in a foreign currency, banks do charge a marked up fee on that, and these fees add up fast. Number 3, accounting is a nightmare. Mixing personal and business expenses is just gonna make tax season way harder than it needs to be. Number 4, missing out on real rewards, because personal credit cards do focus on categories like dining, shopping, groceries. Whereas for business credit cards, they focus more on spends like ads, suppliers, and software, where cashback is almost non-existent. If you're serious about growing a business, you need a dedicated business card. And the good news is there's a way to get cashback on your business spending. Introducing World Card, your global business card that saves on all spend. This isn't just another business card. World Card is a new card product from WorldFirst, a company that's been helping businesses with international payments since 2004. Over 1 million businesses worldwide uses WorldFirst multi-currency accounts to handle global transactions with competitive FX rates in 100 plus currencies. Now, with the launch of World Card, they are making it even easier for business owners to spend globally and earn cashback at the same time. And let's talk about some features of the World Card. The World Card is designed for business owners. So instead of losing money, you will start saving money from day one. There is an ongoing 1.2% cashback offer, so you'll get 1.2% cashback on eligible spending every month. You can pay over 150 currencies with just one virtual card, and also 0 FX fees in 15 supported currencies. The next step is how to apply for a World Card. I'll give you a step-by-step walkthrough. Now, setting up a business card may sound complicated, but this one is surprisingly simple, and I'll show you how to do it step-by-step in a few minutes. For a start, you will need to set up a WorldFirst account. And the good news is you can sign up for free. Add code exclusive offer when signing up to get $100 bonus with no setup fees, no subscription fees, and no monthly charges. Click the link in description to get your WorldFirst account. You will first need to fill in the forms and your business particulars as required. When you sign up, don't forget to apply the code exclusive offer for the $100 bonus. Then verify using your SingPass and upload your ID. It is a very fast application process, and for my case, I just completed it within 5 to 10 minutes. Now, after your WorldFirst account is set up, you will need to apply for a World Card. So on your WorldFirst dashboard, click on World Card. Review the terms and conditions and click Apply Now. Verification will take 1 to 2 business days, and for my case, it took 1 work day. So I applied for it on Wednesday and it got approved on Thursday. Once approved, you can start using the virtual card right away. You may view your card details by clicking on the eye, then use it to pay merchants. Before using the World Card, you will need to fund your WorldFirst account. On your WorldFirst dashboard, click on Collections, then Manage Accounts, then transfer to SGD or USD for your single currency account, and then click on Details and then do a bank transfer. Now let's go through some common FAQs about the World Card. Number 1, are there any requirements to apply for the World Card? If you're asking about income requirements, then no, it is not like personal credit cards where they need to ask you for your income, but you'll need a verified WorldFirst account and you have completed the onboarding. After that, you can instantly apply for the World Card. Number 2 question, is there a physical World Card? Not yet for now, but it's coming soon. But anyway, most of your merchants can be paid online using the virtual card. Question number 3, what are the excluded spend categories? You will have to refer to this list published by WorldFirst, so check whether your merchant category code is in the list of excluded MCCs. Question number 4, when will cashback be credited? Based on the terms and conditions, the 1.2% cashback or second cashback reward in a given month will be credited in USD to the relevant participant's USD denominated World account on the last calendar day of the following month. So I guess the most important question has come. What to spend on to maximize the cashback? The number 1 idea I can think of is marketing and advertising. We are talking about social media advertising campaigns like on Meta, Google, TikTok, or even real estate listings like on Property Guru. In fact, some ad platforms do allow a prepayment of ad credits, so that's where you can maximize your cashback. Number 2, you can look at software as a service or SaaS subscriptions. Like if you're using Canva Pro for image design for your thumbnails, Shopify tools or CRM tools, example HubSpot. Number 3, you can use it to pay for seller store fees, example on Amazon, Shopify, and even Carousel Singapore in a local context. And number 4, you can use the World Card to pay for shipping or logistics fees, example DHL or FedEx shipping fees, or your warehouse third-party logistics fees. So to sum up, this is a comprehensive review of the World Card, a new card product from WorldFirst to help you save some money on your business spend in the form of cashback. And some learning points you can take away from this review is that a business card isn't just about convenience, it's about saving money and scaling smarter. Right now, with the cashback offer, it's a wonderful time to utilize the World Card benefits. Remember to use the link in the description to apply for the WorldFirst account and start earning cashback on your business expenses today using the World Card.